I've got a ton of leaves in here, buddy. Do you want just this picture cut out, Kai? You just want the leopard? This thing? Kai, just the picture?
I want to take the article back.
The whole article?
Yes.
You okay? Yeah. You okay?
There you go.
Listen, I don't have much education, you know, this here. Hell, I stopped being able to help with your homework when you were 10.
Look at this, the Japanese manufacturer behind the Super Mario Pokemon canceled Nintendo Live 2024 Tokyo, which had been set for January 20th. The annual event showcases Nintendo games. The company declined the threats of the threats, but said police were contacted.
After that night,
Huh.
you never even called.
Oh, that would be fun to go to Tokyo. Huh, Kai?
Yeah.
That's a big trip. That's the kind of thing, it would be good to get invited as an artist to Tokyo. You know?
Yeah.
You're pretty good at that.
Alright, so fans, getting started tonight. We are drawing we're drawing Big Al's cousin, Polar Allosaur. Or at least Dwarf Allosaur, as it's shown on my page here. Back on Walking with Dinosaurs, it was known as Polar Allosaur. Well, at least I saw it on Prehistoric Planet. Any case, let's get started.
Ready to rock and roll. We're gonna be like 3 old. I said Arnie's gonna be like all uppity, and we're gonna be like exhausted.
Can I help you?
I think he said he wasn't. Remember you said, are you gonna play cards? And he said, oh, I don't think so.
Okay. Find your bag.
Just with this one. This has a lot of charity stuff.
Are you having trouble finding yourself? Okay.
What she does. I told you, she's pretty. We grew up in Hicksville.
Anyway, this Allosaur first debuted on one episode before the final episode of Walking with Dinosaurs, and to be fair, I just wish that the series would have extended. What can I say? Dinosaurs are part of my life. But in any case, tomorrow is going to be the last day in Florida, and I'm going to be pretty busy these past couple of days. Well, I'm going to be back on the plane. I'll get to see Cabo again. It's like an angel returned to me from heaven.
I want to watch YouTube. I don't feel like looking at magazines right now. Kai, is your feet are sweating. Take your socks.
Alright, here are my stuff. Now, why is it called Polar Allosaur again? Glad you asked. You see, I saw that on Walking with Dinosaurs, Polar Allosaurs have stripes on their backs. And, well, it's kind of a surprise that I actually got to see an Allosaurus in the Cretaceous. That's kind of a seriously new thing I never would have suspected. It's just like Liopleurodon being shown in the Cretaceous once again. Yeah, never expected it to come back. But in any case, I believe that Liopleurodon was still around during the Cretaceous for a reason. And truth be told, I took a liking to that, having more dinosaurs expanded during the late Cretaceous. That's worth something looking at.
With Instacart, you
Let me
get
just
free delivery on your first
extend to this.
Why would a holiday host need that?
And there he is. That's how you draw a polar Allosaur, or dwarf Allosaur,
Very big appetite.
whatever you think it should be named.
Oh dear.
It's just like, well, I first saw this on a DVD on Chased by Dinosaurs. Saw it at the Roosevelt Field Mall. In any case, that's how you draw him. And be sure to come to Florida. And, well, it's not as good as New York City, but it has a good memory for me in my past. Good night, guys.